Welcome to our EEM quiz. Today, you'll face questions about the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF. Some easy, some tricky. Can you get them all right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's find out. What is EEM in the context of investing? A global technology stock. An ETF for emerging markets. A bond fund for developed nations. A specific country's index. EEM is an iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, which functions like a collective basket of shares from numerous companies across rapidly growing nations. What is the main goal of EEM? To mirror the MSCI Emerging Markets Index. To outperform developed markets. To focus on one high-growth country. To invest only in technology. EEM's mission is to mirror the MSCI Emerging Markets Index, tracking large and mid-sized businesses in developing economies without attempting to outsmart the market. What type of investment approach does EEM use? An active fund strategy? A day trading strategy? A passive fund strategy? A speculative growth strategy? EEM is a passive fund. It aims to follow the market efficiently, mirroring an index rather than actively trying to outperform it. Which two sectors represent the largest portions of EEM's holdings? Technology and financial services, energy and healthcare, telecom and consumer brands, factory floors and real estate. Technology and financial services each represent roughly a quarter of EEM's holdings, making them the largest sectors. Which two countries contribute the most to EEM's geographic spread? Brazil and South Korea, Taiwan and Saudi Arabia, South Africa and Eastern Europe, China and India. Geographically, China and India provide the lion's share of EEM's allocations, with other countries also making meaningful contributions. For which type of investor is EEM often suitable? Long-term diversified investors. Investors seeking short-term gains. Those with only domestic stock exposure. People avoiding global markets. Emerging market stocks are volatile. EEM suits long-term, diversified portfolios. What is a practical suggestion for EEM investment? Start with automatic monthly purchases. Chase daily market headlines. Invest all funds at once. Review allocation annually. Starting small and steady with automatic monthly purchases helps smooth out the inherent swings of emerging markets. What is the suggested minimum time frame for EEM investment? A few months. 1 to 2 years. 5 years or more. 3 to 4 years. EEM is a long-term investment, with 5 years or more recommended to allow growth to materialize through temporary market turbulence. What is the main point about diversification using EEM? It means stepping outside comfort zone. It guarantees higher returns. It removes all investment risk. It is only for experienced traders. The key takeaway is that diversification only truly works when you step outside your comfort zone, which EM helps achieve by offering broad exposure to emerging markets. What type of businesses does the MSCI Emerging Markets Index include? Only small-cap companies. Large and mid-sized businesses. Primarily government-owned enterprises. Exclusively tech startups. The MSCI Emerging Markets Index, which EEM mirrors, tracks large and mid-sized businesses in developing economies.